Okay, this is a brief video on how to set up your Adobe ID and password and your Adobe account. All right, so here we go. Now we're going to do this in class as a class, but if for some reason it didn't work out for you the first time or you were absent, then you'll find this video helpful. If you have any questions, of course, about any of this, just ask. Okay. All right. So in the top right of your desktop, you are going to see this icon. Look at the top right of mine. You can kind of see it. No, you not kind of see it. You can see it clearly. It's right there. So you're going to click that. Now it's going to take you to this page. It's going to prompt you to sign in. This is really super important. The only thing you're going to do here is put in your full Concord email address at concord.k12.in.us. Actually, I think it is at Stu. This was another teacher. Teachers don't have at Stu, they just have at Concord. So anyway, type in your full Concord email address. Do not click continue with Google. All right. For most of the things that you guys do, you're supposed to continue with Google, and you're used to continuing with Google to sign into things. Please don't do it. If you accidentally do it, it's going to mess everything up. I'll have to delete you and then re-add you as a user. So please don't click continue with Google. Just type in your full Concord email and press continue. This continue right here. Now Adobe's gonna prompt you to type in a password. Well, what's your password? You don't have a password. It is not your student ID password. Okay, you have to create one. So since you don't have one, you just click reset your password. And then it's going to send, Adobe's going to send a link, or no, not a link. It's going to send a code to your Gmail. And what you want to do is go to your Concord Gmail and copy that, or look at the code and type it in right here. You can copy paste too. Oops, getting ahead of myself. Reset your password also. All right, so now you have to make a password. Your student ID will not work as a password for Adobe. Please make up a password that follows Adobe's requirements, and Adobe will help you do that. After you do that, you are going to continue through Concord Community Schools. This is extremely important. If you do not take this step, your computer is going to explode. No, it's not going to explode, but it's going to mess everything up. So please continue through Concord Community Schools. Then it should allow you at that point to open the Adobe Creative Cloud. So you're going to click that icon again. And if it says open next to the apps, you're good to go. For example, you'll see a little blue square for Photoshop. To the right of that, if it says open, you're good to go. If it says try or free trial next to the apps, something went wrong. Please tell me so I can help fix it. All right, we can fix it. It's not a big deal, but it's just really important that it says open next to the apps. And that is all. If you have any questions, please reach out. How do I stop this video?